Whether you love watches or not, you must admit that the culture surrounding them is very interesting. With expensive luxury brands and centuries-long histories, it is impossible to resist the fun watch facts that come out of the timepiece industry. We have compiled some of our favorites. First, did you know that pocket watches used to dominate the market? The pocket watch is nearly dead in the modern world, but a couple hundred years ago it dominated the market. In fact, wristwatches were rarely worn until the last 100 years or so. Wristwatches were first made for women. In the modern world, everybody wears wristwatches. In the past, this was not the case. Pocket watches dominated the industry for a long time. When the wristwatch came along, its primary purpose was to decorate the wrists of women, who generally did not carry pocket watches. 3. iPhone is more accurate than a Rolex. Cheaper watches use quartz movement and luxury watches usually use mechanical. While mechanical watches are heavier and more complex, they are actually less accurate than quartz. But even quartz watch, say the popular Casio G-Shock, is less accurate than watch in your iPhone or Samsung. Speaking of Casio, the Casio G-Shock models are known as being nearly indestructible. They are waterproof to great depths, shock-resistant and as reliable as a watch can be. When Casio was testing G-Shock, they did not conduct experiments in some laboratory. Instead, they tested shock resistance using the logical method, dropping G-Shock off a 4-story building. Obviously, they survived that drop. And 5. It's time to swim with your Rolex. While most luxury watches are water resistant up to few hundred feet, Rolex took things even further with their deep sea special watch. It was taken nearly 36,000 feet to the bottom of the Mariana Trench and performed under immense pressure. That's all for today. If you like such content, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day!